Good morning, this is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. I posted a video on how to make kombucha and someone asked me how to make a Scoby. So I said that I would post a video today on how to make a Scoby. I actually did make my own Scoby when I first started making kombucha. And here is my Scoby. My hands, I have washed my hands with vinegar, so I just want you to know you just can't touch these because you can introduce harmful bacteria. Okay, this is my Scoby. A Scoby is a symbiotic culture of yeast, and you need a Scoby to make kombucha. But it's very simple to make your own Scoby. All you need to make your Scoby is a glass jar, black tea, sugar, and starter. Your starter is any raw, unpasteurized kombucha. So you can buy any brand in the store as long as it's raw, unpasteurized. It will work. I'm actually going to do 3 parts to my how to make a Scoby, and here's why. I have some friends that want to start their Scoby now, and so we can start it together, and we can check it in 1 week, and then we'll check it again in 2 weeks. So today we're just going to start it and set it aside. The first step is to take 8 cups of filtered water and bring them to a boil. Once your water is boiling, you can add 8 tea bags, either black tea or green tea. I use black tea. We're going to let this tea steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to move our operation to the sink. So I'm going to remove these tea bags. Remember to sterilize everything that you stick in your tea or around your Scoby. Everything needs to be sterilized and sterilized with vinegar. So I take these tea bags out. I'm squeezing out the tea from the bags into the mixture. And now I'm adding in a cup of sugar. I'm going to remind you of the ingredients. It's 8 cups of filtered water, 8 black tea bags. You can actually use green tea too, but you cannot use flavored tea because sometimes they have oils in them, which will impact your fermentation. I'm going to stir this sugar in here, and I'm going to give it a couple of minutes to dissolve, and then it needs to set till this gets to room temperature. Okay, it's time to pour in our tea, our sweet tea, into our glass jar. I'm going to stick it in the sink just so I don't spill all over the place. And I'm just going directly from here into the glass jar. My sugar is completely dissolved. And now I'm putting in my starter. Remember, my starter came from my last batch of kombucha, but your starter can come from any raw, unpasteurized kombucha that you buy in the store. So you're just going to pour that directly into your mixture with your sterilized spoon. Just mix it up a little bit. So now we have our Scoby mixture ready, and all we have to do is cover it with a flour towel or any towel that's breathable and cover it with a rubber band. We need to store this out of direct sunlight. I store mine in the garage, and what we'll do is we need to let this set. We'll check back in a week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day.